Model, 2015 Ford Transit Custom 290 Trend 2.2 TDCI-E Tech engine needs repair. No Vat. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 221,715. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and won't turn over. Engine has seized grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been